Ever notice how almost every social activity seems to revolve around food? Dinners, happy hours, birthday cake, it's everywhere. But if you're living the keto lifestyle, constantly being surrounded by high carb temptations can make staying on track feel like a full-time job. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful ways you can stay social, have fun, and build relationships without a single breadbasket in sight. Point number 1, choose active social outings. When you center your social time around movement instead of meals, you instantly remove temptation and add a boost to your health. Invite friends for a hike, a beach walk, bike ride, or even a dance class. Not only are you keeping your body moving, but you're also creating shared memories that don't involve anyone asking, "Are you sure you don't want dessert?" The bonus, you ask? Exercise releases endorphins, so you leave the outing feeling energized and happy. A win for your mood and your keto journey. Point number 2, explore creative and cultural activities. Not every great hangout needs to happen at a restaurant. Try activities that engage your mind or creativity, like pottery painting, photography walks, visiting a museum, or checking out a local outdoor concert. These experiences give you something to talk about, something to share, and they help you deepen connections in a more meaningful way than just eating together. And here's the best part. You're feeding your mind and spirit without feeding cravings. Point number 3, host food optional gatherings. You don't have to avoid friends to protect your keto goals. You just have to be intentional. Invite people over for a board game night, trivia evening, or a movie marathon. If snacks are part of the plan, you control the menu. This means you can offer keto-friendly options while still making sure everyone has a great time. When you take the lead, you set the tone, and you might be surprised how much your friends enjoy the change of pace. So remember, staying social doesn't mean sabotaging your keto lifestyle. Choose active outings, explore creative or cultural activities, and host gatherings where food isn't the main event. Your health goals and your social life can absolutely work together. You just need to get a little creative. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more keto lifestyle tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite food-free activity. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video.